Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 3.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 4.2% during the session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The MACD's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair rose 3.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 4.3% during the session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices soared, bouncing after a torrid quarter on expectations that OPEC Plus will reduce output considerably to provide support to a market hit by demand concerns on the back of slowing global growth. The dollar slid as US Treasury yields paused in a relentless climb higher, providing brief relief to share markets and helping the euro and sterling move further off multi-year lows. The financial service provider MasterCard will launch a new crypto service related to risk management. MasterCard's new service, Crypto Secure, is aimed to help banks find and prevent fraud on crypto merchant platforms.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ISM Services PMI will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's exports at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Construction Index will be released at 2130 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The US ADP Employment Change at 12:15 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.